Imagine waking up one random morning. You check your phone, not Instagram, not WhatsApp, your investment app, and you notice something strange. Yesterday, your money made more than you did at work, not because you worked harder, but because you didn't work at all. That moment has a name, and most people will never experience it. One, the invisible moment. All your life, you're taught one rule: work, get paid, survive. So you trade time for money, day after day, year after year. But there's a silent moment where the rules change. A moment when your money starts working harder than you. Not luck, not magic, just math. Here's the scary truth. Most people will work for 40 years and never even know this moment exists. Why? Because they only focus on income, not systems. They save, they hustle, they upgrade their lifestyle, but they never build assets that grow without them. So even when they earn more, they feel stuck. Your financial life has only two lines. Line 1, your expenses, what it costs you to live. Line 2, your investments, what your money earns without you. At first, expenses are high, investments are flat. But if you invest consistently, that second line curves upward. Slow at first, then faster, then unstoppable. The exact moment those two lines cross, work becomes optional. That's the crossover point. This is why 100K feels scarier than being broke, because now loss feels real. Fear replaces hunger. People stop taking smart risks. Psychology calls this loss aversion. People protect money instead of growing it, and that's why most people get stuck here. Not because they're lazy, but because fear takes control. Winning isn't about genius. It's boring. Lower expenses, consistent investing, and letting time do the work. Every $1,000 invested buys future freedom. Every unnecessary expense pushes freedom further away. Money isn't just money, it's future time. One day, on a random Tuesday, you'll check your phone and realize your money worked harder than you did. Most people never reach that day, not because they can't, but because they never played the right game. If you want more content about money, psychology, and real freedom, subscribe.